feed. Let's do the kindness. Then where is some other dogs? Actually, there is a lot of dog, right?
This side?
Yeah. It's not. Is it safe to go there? I'm getting scared to go.
Yeah.
Today here, Angela is sitting here, and she said she doesn't like dog. But convincing her to let's love for dog. Is it? Why you hate dog? First of all.
Not that I hate dogs.
Yes.
I like animals.
Yes. You like animals? Okay.
I like animals, and then I like dogs, but I don't like how they behave.
Yeah.
They make unnecessary noise, following car, barking unnecessary. That's why I don't like those. You know, normally at night,
Yeah.
it's for resting. Everybody has to rest. But
Yeah.
you'll be resting and then the dog will be barking anyhow.
Yeah.
It distracts the resting time. You cannot sleep. That's why I don't like them.
Okay.
Especially Indian dogs.
Okay. You don't mind because you know, right? Even human beings are also, they know what is right, but still they do bad things, right? For animals, you know, they don't know. Do you believe that?
You know, not that animals don't know. Animals do think as human think, but human thinking ability is far higher
Yeah, you're
than
right.
animals. Gun, I would have shot all of them.
Oh my God!
Without leaving one.
Really, don't think like that. It's not good. Hi Angie, let's join with me. We'll go for a. We'll go to feed a dog. Let's do kindness challenge. Come, get us, come on.
Welcome back to my channel. Hi, she's my friend Angela. And no.
This is really.
And she's Delight. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna feed for the dogs. And right, I asked them to come with me to feed for the dogs. So I told them that we're gonna do kindness challenge, right? Are you agree with the kindness challenge?
Yes.
So they agree. So if you are new here, please do subscribe, like, share. Okay? Now we are going looking for a dog. We'll get, yeah, we can. Angela, do you like come here? Come this side. Angela, now are you ready for a FIFA dog? Okay, I'm happy. Actually, she said she doesn't want to come, but somehow I convinced her, and now she came. Thank you. Okay, let's come. They are eating, right?
It is somewhat smelly, you know.
Yeah, this is good only.
They understand that you are stray dogs. They don't eat this kind of food.
Really? They will eat. They're getting
But they
scared.
had this
They'll
before,
eat. They'll eat. Definitely. You just don't give so much. You just give to them also.
Wow, they're coming.
Come. They will have. See, I told you. No, they're getting scared. You should not stand when you.
Ah, okay. See,
I told you, no, they will eat. But they're scared.
let's feed. Let's do the kindness. Then where is some other dogs? Actually, there is a lot of dog, right? Yeah. It's not. Is it safe to go there? I'm getting scared.
Yeah.
I'm able to walk because I got this shoe cast. So that's why it's a little bit easy for me to walk. Now we find all the 3 dogs right here. So we need to get it more, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's hunt for the dog. Come on. Come on from my group.
Hey, Angie. Yeah.
Oh my God, yeah. So we didn't get enough dog. So we are searching. We will do dog. They are good. Elzeba. When you are feeding, you should not do like this. Some dogs, they are arrogant. They'll bark. They'll bite you. No, some dogs we should not. Don't fight. Come here. Yes. Don't fight. It's touching my ear.
Today's video is on kindness challenge. And see what she's doing. No problem.
That's what I also want. A long time, right? What are waiting for us till we are doing this so that
But that is pet dog, not street dog. Hey! Oh, they're coming! One more dog. Come.
One dog, no, some that one. This one, no. That one. We have more than 20 dogs here.
Yeah.
It is so nice. Just
See, Angie, they're loving you so much. Kindness challenge she's doing. Oh, holy night.
we are taking video.
Mom is watching her upstairs, and we are here. We're doing good things. Bye-bye. We're done with feeding dog. And Elzeba, how are you feeling? Feeding dog, doing kind things? Are you happy? Okay, now we're done with the feeding for dogs, and we all are happy. You're happy?
Yeah, we are all happy.
Okay, now let's go and be done with the kindness challenge, no?
Yes.
So I wish other person or anyone can do kindness challenge, as we did. Okay, then bye bye. Take care. You want to say something? No. Okay, let's
not forget
to be kind towards animals.
In this Christmas season, please remember this.
Okay, bye. Bye. Kitties. Bye. My channel right now. You're right. You're right. So we become friends. No, you should subscribe to my channel.
She is making others to subscribe her channel.
My channel. Yeah, I think so.
I think so. You don't know that is what is your channel.
But no, I got. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Okay.